4.6 billion years ago, in a cloud of dust and gas, gravity began to whisper. It gathered atoms into worlds, it gathered chaos into order, and in the quiet dark, it built a neighborhood, our neighborhood. This is the story of the 8 worlds we call home, and the countless others in between. At the center of it all sits a furnace. The sun. 109 Earths could fit across its face. Every second, it converts 4 million tons of its own mass into pure light. Light that takes 8 minutes to reach the very planet asking these questions right now. It has burned for 4.5 billion years. It has 4.5 billion more to go. Everything here, every rock, every ocean, every heartbeat, exists because of its heat. First in line is Mercury, a world with no atmosphere to protect it. Days here reach 800 degrees. Nights fall to nearly 300 below zero. It is a planet of extremes, with nothing to soften the blow. Next comes Venus, wrapped in clouds of sulfuric acid, its surface hot enough to melt lead, hotter even than Mercury, despite being farther from the sun. A runaway greenhouse, a warning written in another world's atmosphere. And then, this. A pale blue marble hanging in the dark, utterly alone in its ability to hold water as liquid, air that we can breathe, and life that looks up and wonders. Of every world we know, thousands now catalogued beyond our own system, Earth remains the only one we have ever found that dreams. That should not comfort us, it should humble us. Just beyond us, Mars, rust-red, wind-carved, and quiet. Once, billions of years ago, rivers may have run across its surface. Now only dry riverbeds remain, fossils of water long since lost to space. We send our machines there now, rolling across its plains, searching the dust for what it once was, and perhaps for what we might become. Beyond Mars lies a scattered ring of rubble, the Asteroid Belt. Millions of fragments, remnants of a planet that never quite formed, gravity pulling too many directions at once. It is not the chaos of the movies. It is mostly empty space, drifting slow and silent. A graveyard of what could have been. And then the giant. Jupiter is larger than every other planet combined, twice over. Its great red spot is a storm that has raged for at least 350 years, wide enough to swallow Earth whole. Jupiter's gravity is so immense, it acts like a shield, pulling comets and asteroids away from the inner solar system. In a very real sense, it protects us. Saturn needs no introduction. Its rings, ice and rock, some pieces the size of mountains, others as fine as dust, stretch nearly 300,000 kilometers wide, yet are, in places, only 10 meters thick. It is one of the most beautiful accidents in the solar system, and we have only understood why its rings exist for a matter of decades. Farther out, the ice giants. Uranus spins almost completely on its side, the result, we believe, of a collision early in its life that knocked it over and never let it right itself. Neptune, the farthest of the eight, is battered by winds faster than the speed of sound, the fastest in the solar system, on a world that receives sunlight 1,000 times fainter than our own. Beyond Neptune, the Kuiper Belt begins, a frozen frontier of icy worlds, Pluto among them, small but not forgotten. And beyond even that, the Oort cloud, a shell of comets so distant it may reach halfway to the next star. Out there, the sun is just another point of light. 8 planets, hundreds of moons, countless smaller worlds still being counted. All of it circling one ordinary star in one arm of one galaxy among 2 trillion others. And on the third rock from that star, something rare enough to matter. A species that built machines, crossed the dark, and looked back to ask where it came from. That is not a small thing. That may be the rarest thing of all.